Quite as warm today as what it is, but it's a beautiful weather day.
We are all glistening, but it works because we have wings here to eat. And I would like to challenge anybody that wants to play Bago. I'll beat you.
All right, so she's making a grandstand challenge today. Now, the big challenge happens on the field. Kickoff is set for 6 o'clock here this evening, I guess, A-State UAPB.
It's Arkansas State versus UAPB in the official home opener of Arkansas State football here at Centennial Bank Stadium. Kickoff is set for right around 6 o'clock. The weather looks to be very, very beautiful by that point. Sunshine throughout the afternoon, going into the evening. So looking forward to that and the home opener. Wolves up, and here we go.
So don't forget, we actually have the Hijinks Kids Zone. It's going to be happening inside the indoor practice facility. That's open with all kinds of bounce houses and fun stuff for the kids. So if your kids are out here and they get a little bit antsy, you can always take your kids to the Hijinks Kids Zone.
And the best thing is, it's free.
All of that is free. Plus, inside the stadium, of course, we have all this stuff we were talking about the first home game. We have over $2,000 in gift cards. I'll be out in the stands giving those away. It's also a band day. So typically we have the A-State band here, the Sound of the Natural State Band, and that's the only band that comes in place. We actually have the band from UAPB coming to Jonesboro as well. So you can see both of those bands, both in-state teams playing today. Again, we're live outside of Centennial Bank Stadium in Tailgate City, inviting you to come out here and join us. Again, kickoff set for 6 o'clock. The Red Wolf Walk is at 3:45, so if you're ready to see the Red Wolves, walk on by. And all the energy that we can give them at Tailgate City, we invite you to be a part of that as well. It's Brandon, Kelly, and David, the Barrel Boy, broadcasting live on the big 107.9 K5.